Today we have 3 levels of math. Level 1 is easy, level 2 is tricky, but level 3 defeats most people. Let's see if you can reach level 3. Level 1, solve this. Most people get this right. "12 divide 3 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. The answer is 8. Division and multiplication have the same priority. So we go left to right. Level 2. This one tricks many people. Step 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, 18 divided by 3 times 3. Step 2. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. The answer is 18. Always solve parentheses first. Level 3. If you solve this correctly, you're really good at math. Take a moment. Step 1. Exponents. 2 squared equals 4. Step 2. Division. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Step 3. Multiplication. 2 times 4 equals 8. Finally, 6 plus 8 equals 14. The correct answer is 14. Remember the order of operations. Exponents, parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Did you reach level 3? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more fun math.